Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the new open ear wireless earbuds from Tronsmart called the OpenFly 2 Pro. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So there's some instructions in here. The USB-C cable. And here is the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. They are designed for extended wear while giving all-day comfort, thanks to its open ear design. Since they don't go in your ear, they help you be more aware of your surroundings, while being able to hear public transit announcements or incoming cars, while still isolating the sound to just your ear, helping to enhance your awareness. And with its Bluetooth connection, you can connect it with multiple devices such as your phone, laptop, tablet, game console, and more. The earbuds feature material that conform to your ear, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. You can experience exceptional and immersive audio as it features a 12mm biomaterial diaphragm and its sound pulse technology, which helps to deliver resonant and punchy bass that you can feel. It also features abTube balance technology to give you more precise sound into your ear canal, minimizing audio leakage and enhancing the feel of the bass. It also has a 4-microphone array with an AI algorithm, which helps to enhance call quality or voice memos while on the move and giving you crystal clear audio. It's also IPX5 water resistant, so it can stand against dust, water, sweat, and more, helping to give you more peace of mind no matter the activity. And you can enjoy all-day listening, as you can get up to 10 hours of play on a single charge and up to 40 hours when placed in the charging case. And it can easily be charged back up with the provided USB-C cable. So it's definitely recommended for anyone with an active lifestyle. And so yeah, definitely check out the Tronsmart OpenFly Pro 2 earbuds today if it's something that you're looking for. And you can check it out in the link below. See you. Tronsmart, just for good sound.